standard dinner at my house. Well, for me. Do it. Now I do this till golden brown. Okay, Google. How long does bread take to brown?
On the website cooksillustrated.com, they say, better browning on bread. One of the best techniques
You know
for
what?
creating dark
Okay,
color
Google,
and shiny
stop.
bread.
That'll do. Now for the inside of the sandwich. Take your ketchup, ranch, barbie sauce, pickles, meat of your choice. How long should I cook 2 burger patties in the microwave?
The cooking time will vary depending on the size and thickness of your hamburger patties, but generally speaking, you'll want to microwave them for about 2 minutes per side.
Do 2 minutes. Come back after the. Okay, put it back in for the last 2 minutes. Add our. I'm using my hand because I live alone. But we are all vaxxed. Anyway, 3 pickles for that. Let me see if I can really dry the sandwich. Aha! Extra crunch. Yes! Mayonnaise! Found it. These will help the patty stick together. Mix all these sauces together. You can either throw them all together and have like an Omega burger sauce, or you can do it separate. I'm gonna do both. And add mayonnaise, then add your barbecue sauce, then add ketchup, and last but not least, ranch. And with all that, bingo! There we are. Take a whisk, and now that we have all this stuff, let's make us a sandwich. Now after you add the pickles, add 1 patty, super sauce. Take a nice spoonful and lather onto your. Then take patty and then make your selection. Hold on. You know what? Let me choose a random.
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a tiger by its toe.
This one. My gut randomizer never lies. Okay, pop the lid. Add your ketchup.
Close it out.
Yeah. Both so. Bear with me with that choppy footage. You know what? There we go. Now just take your bit of, stick it on like so. Now just stick that through. There, you got yourself the Omega patty. Not my best work, but try it out for yourself. And once you made it, tag this video in a video using the hashtag Omega patty.
See what it is.